Let's transition now. Okay.
Hi Alex, mabuhay. Paano mo filter yung outside noise now that you have this newfound global fame?
Sa akin, hindi ko masyadong filter. I think it's more about embracing it and knowing when to, kailan yung tamang momento para to listen and to, how do I say, to embrace, I guess is the word. And kailan ko dapat i-silence lahat ng mga sinasabi ng mga tao. Maybe before the matches is when I get most locked in. But it's on and off, and I think you have to pick your moments. Yeah.
And magsabi ka lang, we have three Filipino chefs, traditional, Binondo by Cabecera and Nax,
Okay.
who want to
Dito sa New York.
Filipino restaurants
Oh,
here in
wow.
Manhattan. So, just say the word.
Okay. Salamat.
I'm getting hungry.
Kapag may time. Oo.
Alex, yung fans mo, medyo nagbigay na ng nickname sa serve mo. I don't know kung napapansin mo.
Oo.
It's cheeky, but ang point nun is parang yung dati mong weakness daw, secret weapon mo na.
Oo, ipaliwanag mo nga sa akin yon kasi hindi masyadong positibong salita yun. So, paliwanag mo nga sa akin yon.
I'm not sure, but it's for Kayla, right? There are shirts about it and everything. But what we thought was it's fooling them with a weak serve or a slow serve. But in any case, point is, how do you react to this now that, they love the weak serve now? I mean, it's not on par and sa average ng serves ng top players, pero yung spin, yung angle na wala, may video pa nga si Jessie Pigula nung before the finals in Washington, sabi niya sa kalaban niya, bagalan mo. Hindi nila ma-figure out. So anong pakiramdam mo doon na napapansin
Hindi
na
ko alam kung ano yung pakiramdam ko sa salita na yun kasi it's not a very positive term, and maybe they mean for it to be positive, but hindi ko alam kung ano yung nararamdaman pag naririnig ko yan kasi grabe yung paghihirap ko sa serve, grabe yung the work that I've put into, and I love my serve. Like, it's like my coach says, it's like my little brother. Parang ate ako sa serve ko. And I don't know. So, yeah, I think that's it. I think I would appreciate a more positive term, but I don't think they mean it in a bad way. I don't think it's but yeah, that's it.
more positive. Nakita mo ba yung giant mural sa tenement? Yung court dun sa
Yung
tenement.
basketball court?
Yes.
Oo, nakita ko yun.
Kobe Bryant has been painted there. Jordan Clarkson painted there. You're the first non-basketball player
Oh my
painted
goodness.
on that court. Anong pakiramdam na gano'n na siya nagsispread yung enthusiasm?
Grabe, minsan hindi ko talaga inaakalang ganun talagang kalaki yung impact ko sa Pinas kasi and natutuwa ako kasi madami talagang natututo magte-tennis or madami nagsasabi, ano ba yan yung tennis? Tapos they'll look it up, they'll try it out, and then okay, maybe it's possible for multiple sports to flourish in the Philippines. And basketball has a very long history in the Philippines, a beautiful one. So does boxing because of Pacquiao. So baka ngayon pwede din yung tennis.
We have time for one more question.
How would you describe yung experience mo sa Nike kahapon? Laban, it's being printed, and
That is amazing. I had to sign, pumimima ako ng isang jacket na may iba't ibang salita ng like Forza or Vamos, and then nasama din doon yung laban. So it's really wow, like I don't know, just nakikilig ako kasi it's really not often that you see our language, up among maybe all of these other beautiful languages, and it's nice to see that Tagalog is getting their flowers and the Philippines is getting their flowers. So well deserved for us. I think.
Thank you, Alex.
Yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you.